everyone, my name is Professor Prchal and today I will be sharing a homemade bread recipe for food science. So to start off, I have a large mixing bowl that I have already put 2 cups of flour in, and I'm going to put 2 more cups of flour into the bowl. Next, I'm going to measure 2 teaspoons of table salt and also put that into the bowl with the flour. I have measured 2 cups of water that I will put into the microwave for 40 seconds to get it nice and warm. After I've microwaved my water, I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons of sugar into the water. You can mix the water and the sugar so that the sugar dissolves in the water. Then I have a packet of yeast. So this is just instant yeast, and I'm going to put it into the sugar water. And then you can let this sit for a few minutes until you see some bubbles forming on the top. So what's happening is the yeast is basically eating the sugar and it produces a gas, and this gas is what helps make the bread rise so it becomes puffy. So after our sugar and yeast and water has made some little bubbles, I'm going to pour it into our big bowl. And then I'm going to mix up all of our ingredients. When I make this bread, I put it in 2 glass baking dishes. And it's really important that you coat the dishes with butter on the inside so that the bread does not stick to the pan when you dump it out after you bake it. I'm going to take my butter and put some inside the pan, all around on the edges too. My dough looks like this, and I have 2 forks, and I'm going to cut the dough down the middle and put 1/2 in one of my pans and the other half in the other pan. So I've scooped out my first half and put it in this pan. And the second half will go in that pan. So this is what the bread dough looks like in my pans, and I will let them sit and rise for about 15 minutes while I preheat the oven. And first I'll preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and then I'll put both pans in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then will reduce the heat to 375 degrees, where they will bake for another 15 minutes, or until they're nice and golden brown. Here are the finished breads. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe at home. Thanks for watching!